Okay, for the foosball table, I started making some side panels to go on, and I pulled out some screws. What I'm worried about is the one size is too small, and I'm worried that the other size is too big. So I don't know. We'll have to test them and see what'll work. But we got some beautiful pieces here. Really cool pieces. So they have to be about 8.25 inches or longer. So I'm envisioning like different levels as you're looking at the bottom of it. So this will give us some starting point here, and we'll test out the screws. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to order some or stop and buy some other size if they have them. Okay, let's try this out. Then we'll make more, see how it goes.